Welcome to my recipe for the perfect chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are soft and chewy on the inside and loaded with chocolate chips on the outside. So, gather your ingredients and let's get baking. In a mixing bowl, cream together a half cup of softened unsalted butter, a half cup of brown sugar, and a half cup of white sugar. Add in 1 large egg and mix until well combined. In a separate bowl, sift together 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of cornstarch, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until just combined. Fold in 1 cup of chocolate chips. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes before baking. Preheat your oven to 170 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Using a cookie scoop or spoon, form the dough into balls and place them on a baking sheet. Bake for 14 to 16 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Here's a pro tip. Cornstarch helps the cookies to have a soft and chewy interior, but it's optional. If you're using salted butter, you can skip the salt. These cookies are perfect to enjoy with a glass of cold milk. Enjoy!